is the Vice President for Asia-Pacific region of Unilever's Clear for Men shampoo. He supervises 3 factories, Hanoi, Manila, and Beijing, that supply 3 warehouses, Seoul, Sydney, and Tokyo, in the region. Hanoi can produce 300 cases, Manila can produce 500 cases, and Beijing can produce up to 100 cases per week. Meanwhile, Seoul's demand is 600 cases, Sydney's demand is 400 cases, and Tokyo's demand is 200 cases per week. The shipping cost per case from Hanoi to Seoul is $8, to Sydney is $2, and to Tokyo is $10. The shipping cost per case from Manila to Seoul is $4, to Sydney is $7, and to Tokyo is $6. The shipping cost per case from Beijing to Seoul is $5, to Sydney is $9, and to Tokyo is $3. How many cases will Alan ship from each of the 3 factories to each of the 3 warehouses in the region per week, while minimizing shipping costs?
Good day everyone, I hope you're all fine and doing great. So welcome to our next discussion regarding the transportation model on solving the transportation model, the 3 methods in the pom-qm software. But this time we will be solving the unbalanced type of problem. So let's start. Just like what we have done before on our balanced problem, first things first is we need to set the algorithm of this software, yung module niya, into transportation problem. So, click module, then transportation, and file, then new. New, dahil gagawa tayo ng ating solution na bago, no? Pero if you have your solutions already, then gusto mo lang siyang buksan ulit, ito lang open, tapos pili ka doon sa lalabas na window from your files kung ano yung gusto mo. No, in my case kasi, I already have these different problems, no? So, pipili ka na lang dyan. Ganun siya. So, sige, let's start. File and new. Okay. For the title, we can have transportation problem, unbalanced. Okay. So, I hope you have your notes with you right now. This is just the same with our problem regarding the clear shampoo, their distribution from their production going to the warehouses. So, as you can remember on that problem, we have 3 sources, which are the Hanoi, Manila, and Beijing. So, let's have here 3. For the destination, we also have 3, which are the Seoul, Sydney, and Tokyo. So, objective is to minimize because we're talking all about transportation and we have cost here. So, we should minimize those costs and click OK. Okay. For the destination, we can rename this. We have Seoul, Sydney, and Tokyo. For the supply, we can change this if you want, no, into capacity. For the source, let's have Hanoi, Manila, and Beijing. Hope you have your notes with you. Okay, and demand. Okay na yan. Demand. Yan. Okay, let's now input this cost per shipping. From the Hanoi going to Seoul, that is $8 per unit. And from Manila going to Seoul, that is 4. From Beijing going to Seoul, that is 5. So, 8, 4, 5. And the demand of this warehouse is actually 600. For the Sydney, pababa tayo. We have 2, 7, and $90. And the first requirement is 400. Okay. For the Tokyo, we have 10 rather. No? From Hanoi to Tokyo, we have 10. We have 6 from Manila to Tokyo. And lastly, we have Beijing to Tokyo, $3. Warehouse requirement is 200. For the capacity, guys, we have 300 here. We have 500 and 100. So, check nyo muna, no, before tayo mag-start ng ating solution. 845, 600, 279, 400, 1063, 200, 300, 500. Okay. So, this is an unbalanced problem. And let's have here the method. Now, before natin piliin itong any starting, sa dulo natin yan gawin para ma-realize ninyo. Tulad sa ginawa natin sa balance. For the northwest corner, let's have here northwest corner method. Then, click nyo, not dissolve muna. Ito muna tayo sa step. Okay. So, ayan, binigay niya sa atin, no? 5,900. As you can see, ang nakalagay lang dito is cost, not optimal cost. No, it is just the cost using the northwest corner method. 5,900, which is, as you can see on your notes, it is just the same with our manual computation. So, I hope you get it. Let's now click the finish and edit. Okay, then click natin this time yung minimum cost. Okay, minimum cost. Then, step ulit. Or the least cost method, ito, no? As I have said before sa pinakaunang presentation natin regarding transportation problem, it is just the same. So, click natin minimum cost, then step. Okay, yan. So, dito naman, if we have 3,500 sa ating if we have 5,900 sa ating northwest, sa list cost, binigay niya sa atin is 3,400. And it is just the same with our manual computation. And tulad nung kanina, no, hindi optimal cost ang nakalagay. This is just a cost. Meaning to say, meron pa tayong mas ikakababa ng cost na ito. No, may mas maliit pa. Sige, click natin finish, then edit the data. Then click natin this time Vogel's approximation method. So, for the Vogel's approximation method, click natin yung step. Ayan. So, for the Vogel, as you can see, guys, ang binigay niya sa atin is 3,100, which is wala akong problema doon dahil pareho ang lumabas na dito sa software doon sa ating manual. 3,100. Yun nga lang, kung titingnan ninyo, ang nakalagay is not the optimal cost. Ang nakalagay ay cost lang. Ang expected natin, di ba? Alam ko, as you know already, ang expected natin, optimal cost ang bibigay ni VAM. Pero hindi pala, nakalagay lang cost. Ibig pong sabihin, meron pang ikakababa ito. And anong method yon? Hindi ko muna ituturo ngayon dahil ayan yung mga susunod natin topic. Akala nyo maliit na yung VAM, no? Hindi pa po, may mas maliit pa. And that is the reason kung bakit kung napapansin nyo kanina, no? Nung kiniklik natin yung, tapos na tayo sa northwest tsaka sa list, kiniklik na natin yung finish na button. Kapag kiniklik natin siya, may binibigay siyang optimal. Ayan, click ko ngayon. No, may binigay siya $2,900. And wala naman tayong nakita na 2,900 sa ating mga solution ng manual. No, Northwest man, List Cost man, or VAM man. Ibig pong sabihin, meron pa pala na ibang solution for transportation model na binibigay niya mas maliit. No, and that will be our next topics. No, so, kung i-click natin, no, ito yung isang way, edit data. Kung gusto nyo, diretso na agad sa optimal, and wala na kayong concern kung ano man yung methodology na gagamitin niya para makuha ang optimal, pwede naman, tulad sa balance natin before. No, just click on the starting method. We have Vogel's approximation, tapos click ninyo itong any starting method. Dito kasi, no, wala na, hindi niya na ipapakita sa'yo kung anong way yun na solve. No, basta ang bibigay niya sa'yo is yung optimal na. So, yun yung algorithm na ito. So, let's try, no? Any starting method, tapos solve. Oops, yan. Pareho doon sa kanina. No, parehong-pareho. 2,900 and nakalagay optimal cost. Ang tanong, sir, anong method yun? Secret muna for now, no? That will be our next na presentation. And, tulad sa balance, we have our backup na mga window dito, no? Kung gusto nyo ng mga details, nandito po sila. Ito, final solution. 500, 100, 300, 100, 100, 100, almost the same dito sa una. Iteration, ito ang ating iterations sa pag-solve nun, kung ano man yung method na ginamit niya ng pom-qm. And for the shipment speed cost, ito naman, parehong-pareho dito yung mga units, 5, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1. Yun nga lang dito, meron tayong mga tawag dito mga cost, no? As you can see, hindi ko pala nabanggit since we are dealing with the unbalanced problem. Kung napansin nyo, no, lahat ng tables na pinapakita niya sa atin from our first solution, the northwest corner rule, and dumaan din tayo sa least cost and sa VAM, and ito sa any starting method. Kung mapapansin niyo, lahat ng table meron dummy. No, same concept, same ideology sa ginawa natin sa ating manual na solution. No, we have dummy dito sa dummy factory, no, kasi ayun yung nagkulang, no, para mag-meet ang ating supply and demand. So ito shipments with cost, and if you want to have the computation kung paano nakuha yung 29, nandito po yun sa table na yun. Ito yung shipping list na binibigay niya, or sa atin this is the same with the shipping cost ng ating manual computation. So, ano-ano yung mga factories na pinanggalingan din saan papuntang warehouse, ilan yung isi-ship, no, ilang units, magkano per unit, and the total shipment cost. Mumultiply mo lang naman yan. And yung total neto is 2,900. Kung titignan nyo, ang daming nanggaling sa dummy factory. Tapos papunta dito sa Seoul, Sydney, and Tokyo. And since we are dealing with dummy na input, ang cost niya is 0. So, nonsense dito, 0, 0, 0. Ito yung, kasi, no, ito yung unbalanced na supply and demand. 300 yung kulang doon. Diba? Yung isa, 900. Yung isa, 1, 2. Difference nila is 300. Ito po yun. So, ayan. I hope na-explain ko in a very detailed manner, and sana nakuha ninyo yung solution kung paano sinusolve ang mga transportation models, different method in our software na pom-qm. Okay, I hope you learned something from this presentation. Keep safe always, and see you again on our next na discussion. Thank you. Bye-bye.